if you're a girl and you want to play an instrument, you walk into a room of people playing jazz and you're the only girl there. I would sort of ask myself, what am I doing here?
Yeah, we could do what they can do, but we're at the same level as they are.
CHiCA Power is a program that was started at the Jazz House to help more girls get involved in instrumental jazz, but it's also a mindset of female empowerment and female involvement in jazz.
Because I ended up going to CHiCA Power, they have encouraged me to push past what other people would like for me to believe.
This is where I want my beginning to be, and this is where, I am right now.
Of a song, the melody haunts my reverie. Now that to me is a lot. I was doing a lot, but I was over exampling, what it is. But it comes. That just is developed over time.
And if I never had Jazz House, if I never had CHiCA Power, other women doing the same thing that I'm on the journey doing, they're still on that path. We might be at different parts of that path, but we're still going all together, and I just think it's so cool.
So to be able to see other instrumentalists that share the same craft as I do is very empowering and encouraging, and I love every bit of it.